Remember this one thing. Imagination, association. I broke my sushi while taking picture. I look so chopped. Oh, I hate the smell of this. I need to carry my tripod. Hello? Perfect. And be proud of your progress, even if it's small. Guys, I am going to eat momo. I'm craving it so much, and I look so pale right now. What the hell? I look like an egg. I am searching for my blush ka brush. It's so hard to say blush and brush. I don't know where I kept my brush. OMG, where I put it. My brush, I can't find it. My eyes, I think I'm going blind. It was on the table. Should I use pink or should I use coral? I'm so confused. I mean, there is no one to decide for me, so I think I'll go with coral because I have been wearing pink so much these days. By the way, this brush is so pretty. It's from Flower Nose, and I get a lot of you guys asking me how I buy from Flower Nose, but it's literally a PR package they sent me, and they don't ship to India. Yes. I had to ask a friend from London to bring it back when she's coming here. I mean, she's not my friend, she's my friend's sister's friend, so it's a long story. I had to struggle. I had to wait for like 8+ months for this package. By the way, guys, before I change my outfit, how does my skin looks like? इतना pretty लग रहा है मेरा skin. It's glowing. What the hell? I hate it when a product is so expensive and it doesn't work, but I hate it more when the product's expensive and it works. Because this thing works and it's so expensive, I have to buy it again if I finish this. I am not screaming, guys. My nerves are so sensitive. This is my normal voice, but if I increase my volume a little bit, like hi, I get nerves here. This is my outfit. Do you think this will go with this outfit? I don't think so. Oh, I look nice. This bag is not going with the vibe. I need to buy a new bag. I don't know how many times I have said till now, but I need to buy a new bag. That's why I'm going to earn and I'm going to make lots of videos because I need money for that bag. That's so expensive. If I wear this chappal, will it go with this outfit because this chappal is trending nowadays? Let's turn off the AC and let's go. My blush is a lot. I know. I mean, on camera it's looking a lot, and in real life, I'm not kidding, it's looking more weird than on camera. But it is how it is. I don't want to change. I look nice. I feel good. I had a really horrible night yesterday because I had to submit my assignment. And yeah, they also checked the plagiarism. I slept around 5 a.m. and I had to wake up around 10 to submit it. And my mentor said there's some editing you have to do, and I use MacBook. This is when I don't like Apple because it's so incompatible with other devices like Windows or Android. It's so annoying. So I had to ask my friend to do that editing that I can do in my MacBook and everything. It took around 3 hours for me, and I didn't sleep. Even though I didn't sleep, but still, do you know what? I know how to make myself happy because I know myself the best. And right now, the thing that will make me happy is having a momo, a good fat momo, like a juicy one, and along with that, laughing on the side and having maybe like rice beer, or I don't really like rice beer though, but I don't know, maybe I will just drink water. And yeah, but I love my outfit so much. And my cat, hello, I gave her wet food today and she is full, she is fit. So let's leave. I'll be back within like 2 hours. Why is it smelling so bad? I think it's my vegetables that are rotten. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm feeling kind of oily right now, to be honest. Wait, I'll see you guys in the metro. So humid outside, and my eyes are swelling. Guys, remember this one thing. Imagination, life is your creation. Come on, let's go back. Going back home now. I'm going to meet my friend today. So I'm getting ready for the dinner. I'm also filming a reel for this date night. I don't think I'll be showing my makeup process in this vlog. You can see in my reels because by the time this vlog is up, the makeup look reel will also be up. So you can check it out. Say hi. It's only us today. Yeah, we ditched our friend.
We don't like them.
So we are going to our restaurant. Oh my god, I have to do like this because you're so tall. I think I'll wear sunglasses for the style and vibe. Yes, now I'm looking like a rich aunt. This is our fit check. We're entering. The place looks so fancy. Looks nice. Here is the menu. We're looking for red wine. It's like another level, now the Flora
I think
one.
anything will be like. Then go
It's pretty, na?
and just go. If you don't do any more activities.
I broke my sushi while taking picture. Wow, guys, even the washroom is so nice. Hi, this is the next day, and I look so chopped. Oh my god, look at my hair. I need to wash my hair today. Oh my god. I am so hungry. By the way, I will be cooking now first before I freshen up. I'm going to cook that viral Japanese salad, which I've been seeing in my feed. So I wanted to share the recipe with you guys, and this thing is very low, so I'm going to speak like this. The weather has been so good recently in Delhi. Like it's raining, so that's why it's cold. Now I'll put some eggs with this. It's very common to have a breakdown when you're a content creator. Sometimes you're like, what should I make? What should I film? And I was having those breakdowns last week, but now I have tons of ideas like what to film, what I will be filming, and all. Especially for Instagram, I have to think so much before uploading. Like, Instagram is such a scary place for me, and I'm scared of making short form videos because I'm not really good with it. I'm working on it, obviously, but I'm not really good with it. So I struggle with Instagram content a lot. For YouTube, I can just turn on the camera and just talk with you guys like this. But Instagram, it's so hard for me. I'm still struggling. And like I'm not like that much active on Instagram compared to YouTube. So I'm trying to be active as much as I can from now because I mean I also have to earn for my masters if I don't get scholarships. So all day and like I'm so stressed about my college and all behind the camera. I'm not showing it in front of camera, but in real life I'm very stressed about my future. Like I still don't know. I get a lot of you guys asking me what is my future plan, what is my job plan or anything. Like are you am I going to do masters or what? Like I have no idea, guys. I haven't figured out, and I'm already in my final year, and like I'm doing research this year because I took 4 year course, and now still I haven't figured out. Look my condition, and I'm so bad right now. I feel like so many people have already figured out what they want, but also there are so many people who haven't figured out. So I think it's totally fine that I'm taking my time, but I'll figure out like anyhow. So that's why, yeah, and I have to save some money for my masters if I'm doing masters. So because masters will cost a lot, and I don't want to pressure my um, father for this. Like, it's going to cost a lot for him. And like, since he's just a single parent, I don't want to pressure him too much. I'll see. I'll give you guys an update with what I'm going to do about my masters or after my bachelor's. I just wanted to share with you guys that even I am lost about my life right now. I literally have no idea what is going on, what I'm going to do, and everything. So while this potato and eggs are getting steamed, oh my god, this angle is so bad. While the potato and eggs are getting steamed, I will be cooking. What is wrong with my language? Wait. While the potato and eggs are getting steamed, I will cook chicken breast. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Oh my god. Yes, I'll be cooking chicken breast because I need protein. I need protein. I had my lunch just now and I washed my face, did my skincare. I'm gonna quickly get ready for the event and I'm already running late. I hate running late so much, but I am running late, so I need to do it within 5 minutes. I also haven't decided which outfit I'm going to wear in the event, but I recently got so many new outfits, so I have so many options. And my closet is also really clean nowadays because I have sent some clothes to my home and everything. As I said in my last vlog, and I'm giving away some clothes, and now my closet is really nice, and all the pieces I have in my closet is the clothing pieces I like right now, and I've been loving those kind of styles. I don't know. I think I'll wear skirt today. I'm in the mood of skirt, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just throw on a jeans. I'm very unpredictable sometimes. Sometimes I feel like I'll wear a skirt, and but I have this one new set that I got on the sale from Zara, which I've never worn outside. So I think I'll be wearing that. Actually, I have like two sets that I deciding like which one should I wear. So where is my concealer? I can't find my concealer and I don't have time to look for my concealer, so I'll just apply foundation again. In this vlog, I think this is my second time getting ready in front of you guys. I've been really loving this blush from Dior I got recently. This is really nice. And you know what, guys? I used to think like if I'm buying something expensive, I'll just wear it on special occasion, but nowadays I use it on daily basis. Like this two I got recently and they are so expensive for me, so I was like, I'll just use it on special occasion. But like, first of all, I don't have any special occasion to wear. Like, I'm not going on any big functions because like I don't know anyone here who will invite me to a big function, first of all. So I was like, whenever I go out, I'm going to use this because अरे मैंने पैसा से लिया है, so I need to use that money that I have spent so much. And if I buy something, I think I should use it. And even for you guys, if you ever buy something expensive in future, don't just keep it for special occasion. Like, I'm not saying like if you don't want to use, don't use it. I'm not forcing, but you know what I'm saying, right? So I don't want you to be saving a special thing, a expensive thing just for special occasion, because it's not worth it then. If you're just waiting few times after giving so much money, then what is the use of it? If you're giving so much money, then it should be of good quality and worth your money. But yeah, obviously I'm going to do like very minimal makeup because it's not like I'm really good at doing makeup, so this is the only makeup I can do.
Going to get started with and then putting it online and then
Oh, I hate the smell of this. Oh my god. It literally came inside my nose. I hate the smell of this. I just want to finish this as soon as possible. Oh my god. It's hurting my nose. Like it came inside my nose hole. But yeah, my makeup is done. Uh so I'm going to choose my outfit. I have literally no idea what I will wear. So I was thinking that I'll wear this top. This top I've never worn, and with this skirt, it's going to look cute. I think. Let me change my outfit. Ta-da! This is how my outfit looks like. Yes, I think it's cute. It's giving I don't know. It's giving something. It's giving summer. Yes, it's nice. It's nice. Maybe I should carry this bag with this. I think it's going with this outfit. I've been carrying this bag a lot recently. I got this from Savannah, by the way, and it doesn't look like it's from Savannah. It's so pretty. This is so cute, and it looks so classy also. Like there is no brand tag, nothing written. I love a bag with no like nothing written or like maybe small. If it's of any brand, maybe like a small tag, not like the huge ones. So I think I'm gonna be wearing it like this. I also need to carry my tripod. I need to carry my tripod, by the way, because I need to shoot a lot, not only for the event but also like for my own content. I'll be filming today because after yesterday I had a very bad night, so I want to compensate for that and treat myself. Obviously, I'm not going to wear this chapel. I will be wearing my polka dot tabbies. I'm ready, guys. Now I have touched up my lips. Earlier, I was looking very colorless, and I have booked my Uber. Let's go. हेलो. हाँ हाँ अब आ गए. कॉल कर दीजिए. हाँ. So my Uber just called me. He said he's coming in 5 minutes. I think until then I will do a feature for my Instagram. Going to make a mood board here. Consistency. I got mango matcha and it's so good. This is my final vision board that I made.
Perfect. Chicken strips.
ये एक दे दीजिए. मेयो मिलेंगे क्या? It's called screen painting.
Yeah.
Screen painting. Okay. I think I have gotten. I think I've got enough photos and footage, so I'll be leaving now. I'll receive my bag and then I'll leave. I'm so tired. Oh. Hachu. Oh my god. I'm so tired, guys. And I need to clean my apartment because it's such a mess. I turned off my fridge before going because it was like totally icy in the freezer. So I was like, I'll turn it off. But all over the apartment, there's water. So I need to clean it. I'll change my outfit first. I'm back finally. And the place was so far. It was around 1.5 hours from my place, one way. So the boat way will be 3 hours. And I stayed there for an hour. So it's like 4.5 hours is gone just for one thing. But anyway, I got this bag from them. This was like this is called screen painting, something like that. So I choose this design, but I couldn't do it properly, so it came like this. And I didn't show my vision board nicely to you. I mean, like mood board, vision board, whatever you want to say. I made this. It's like for my productive days. Some candle. I really love this candle. AirPods. I don't have this. It's very expensive. And be proud of your progress, even if it's small. This is for you guys. This message is for you guys. Be proud of your progress and consistency. Even if it's not perfect, consistency is very important. And lots of traveling, some skincare, face massage, and some journal like thankful to the universe. And I will achieve because we are consistent, so we are going to achieve our goal. Career growth, obviously you are being consistent, you are achieving, so obviously your career is also growing. Some lip care which I need to buy because my lip is literally dry, which you can see in the video, but it is very dry in real life. And just some chilling at home, maybe, I don't know. I just did this, and this is very my vibe. And they also gave me some stickers before I went. So they gave me this coffee stickers, very cute. So this is what I got. Oh guys, I also did some Polaroid, which I already showed to you in the cafe. But my room ka halat is very bad right now. So let me change my outfit first. My clothes are also wet here, the one that I kept in parcel to my sister. So I need to see. Let me show you this. This is the clothes that I had. I'm feeling so greasy and so tired. Actually, guys, I had car sick today because the car AC smelled so bad on my way back. And like everything was so bad. The vibe of that car, everything was so bad. So I was getting car sick and I wasn't using a phone also. But I need to clean this up. And I also have to edit today's events video to upload in my Instagram story. So I'm going to. Guys, I'm skipping gym today. Both thak gaya mujhe na. I went back and forth, back and forth. That's why I'm so tired. So I'm skipping gym for today. It's been third day I'm skipping gym. But nowadays, for this past 3 days, I was having my periods. So I was feeling so पता नहीं बहुत weakness feel हो रहा था, and like my appetite was also gone. But today I ate really good. But yeah, for the past 3 days, my appetite was kinda like gone. I wasn't hungry or anything. So I don't know मतलब क्या हो गया था हमको. But now I'm feeling much better. So कल से I will go to the gym again. This is totally fine. I take rest whenever I want. I don't have any मतलब कि हमको करना ही पड़ेगा compulsoriness. I don't have that in my routine. So that's why I'm very flexible with myself. I'm not like इतना strict नहीं है. But one thing I get a lot from people I know, they say कि like if I tell them how am I as a person, they say you're very disciplined, and I'm like wow, that's a really big compliment because I never thought that I'm disciplined. पर जब से अन्य लोग हमको बोले कि like I'm disciplined, I also started noticing that I think yes I'm disciplined, like, but I thought it's very normal for me to follow certain routine and stick to it, being consistent. I thought it's just a normal thing like a normal human does, but people were like, not many people, like I just know few people, but they were like, saying that I'm kind of like very disciplined, I know where to work and stuff. So that is a very big compliment for me. Also guys, हमको ना एक सुंदर सा कुर्ती चाहिए Matlab, it's like for summer, maybe while I'm going to college to wear it with my jeans. But I can't find it. Where can I get a good kurti? Summer kurti, cotton kurti. I want it, but I can't find anywhere. Sarojini में गया था एक बार पर it's very common now nowadays. Everyone is wearing the same kurti. So I don't really want to wear. ज़्यादा ही viral वाला भी इतना पहनने मन नहीं है हमको भी. Even though like I'm an influencer बोल दो. मतलब हाँ इन्फ्लुएंसर ही है कंटेंट क्रिएटर है असली में तो आई डोंट थिंक आई एम एन इन्फ्लुएंसर आई डोंट थिंक आई इन्फ्लुएंस पीपल बट कंटेंट क्रिएटर लाइक हम क्या बोल रहे हैं मतलब हाँ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स लोग जो ट्रेंडी चीज पहनते हैं इवन आई वेयर ट्रेंडी स्टफ्स हम तो बहुत ट्रेंडी स्टफ्स पहनते हैं लेकिन कुर्ती जो ना फिर आई डोंट वांट टू वेयर समथिंग एवरीवन इज वेयरिंग थोड़ा पिकमी जैसा साउंड कर रहे हैं हम जो बट अभी आई विल बी एडिटिंग सम स्टफ्स फ्रॉम टुडेज video उसके बाद I don't know if I'm going to film my oh my god my niece I was just scrolling my phone and I saw my niece she's like हम लोग थोड़ा सेम नहीं दिखते क्या comment down below if we look similar okay so I was saying that I don't think if I'll be filming my skincare night routine if you want to know my night routine you can check my vlogs इतना बार upload मार चुका है ना हम मेरा skincare को and I hardly change my skincare products because I stick with whatever I'm using so you can just check out them I will see if I want to vlog or not I think after anything I'll just rest a little and tomorrow I'll film the unboxing हम बहुत stretch कर रहे हैं unboxing को so I need to do it fast और मुझे film भी करना है reels के लिए भी tomorrow is my content creation day and tomorrow is my second last day of my vacation उसके बाद next week से I will start college I'm not really ready for that but करना ही पड़ेगा अभी क्या करेगा पढ़ाई तो करना पड़ेगा पढ़ाई is the main so yeah I'll see you later tomorrow या फिर रात को ही देखते हैं bye